welcome to the coding channel once again, the decent coder guys. And guys, in today's video we are going to talk about a special topic, that is DNS poisoning attack or DNS spoofing. What it is, how does this works, and like what is the total phenomena behind that. So first of all, I would be talking about what is domain name system, your DNS, what is an IP address, and how does it works. So as you might be knowing that for each and every single website or the network devices or anything that is placed on the internet, it requires a location to be stored, that is which is identified by your IP addresses. So the IP addresses are the places or the specific location of the thing that you are like searching or you are accessing on the internet. So what is domain name system? Domain name system is a type of, you can say, just for the your convenience, the domain name systems were the convenience of yours. They are just a resemblance of your IP addresses. Means just a small naming system that which are mapped with your IP addresses and provide a naming convention to them so that you can easily remember them. Suppose it is very easy to remember google.com rather than remembering a sort of IP addresses like 10.1.4.3. I'm just taking a random one. So that is much more difficult than just remembering google.com. You can simply type that and you can go on that particular IP addresses. But the thing behind that is that the domain name system is mapped to your IP addresses. So everything, whenever you type the domain name, it automatically goes to that particular location. It searches for that location on internet and it goes on there. So the DNS poisoning attack, what is done in this is basically what an attacker seems to do here is he tries to mess with the host file. Host file basically in your Windows system I'm talking about. etc/host on your Windows system. There is the host file present on your system, which when you will locate, you will find that there are certain IP addresses which are mapped to certain names. That is your domain names. Suppose you will find that 127.0.0.1 is mapped to your local host. That's why whenever you type localhost in your browser, when like your server is activated there, so then you directly go on to your server. Basically you can access your server through that, because to access your localhost server, the IP address for that is 127.0.0.1. so that is the thing, and other IP addresses you can also see there. So what an attacker seems to do here is that, as I told you, that the domain name mapping with an IP address is stored in this file. So he tries to modify this file, the permissions of this file. That's why it is like told to you, or it is being told that never download any pirated software or any sort of software that can edit or modify your system, because they can do the same things and then you are under attack. Suppose I want to go to github.com. I am taking just an example still. So github.com, might be, just suppose that it is mapped to 10.0.0.1, but the attacker modifies that host file and then he points that particular domain name system to 10.0.0.2. The best results come for the DNS poisoning attack when the malicious website contains the same structure as the original website. Suppose I want to go to that particular IP address /login, and the malicious website also has the same login page on that particular location, like 10.0.0.1/login is same as 10.0.0.2/login. So that would be very much convenient, and the victim or you who is accessing that web page will never get an idea that I am not accessing the site I am intended to access. So that is the main thing. So the main focus you have to keep on is that you never download any sort of pirated software or any sort of software which can be harmful, like deep/dark web. Most of the things from there are considered harmful. So if you are surfing them about, so there are a lot of containerized systems present on internet which provide you very safely a very safe access. Or suppose if you are doing so, you can create a sort of virtual machine and then you can access deep/dark web. The main thing to do while accessing them, because otherwise if you are downloading pirated software from anywhere, the main thing is that. So guys, this was the video about DNS poisoning attack. I told you what it is, how it works, and how can it be harmful for you guys. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section about this video, what point did you like about this video, and also if you want free certification courses, you can check out my channel, or for ethical hacking and coding tutorials as well. I have made an ethical hacking playlist. I am making videos regularly on that, so you can save that playlist as well to get all the videos from there, and you can gain knowledge from them as well. So thank you guys, and let me see you in another video.